grand celebration of Republic Day. आइन ने हमको जीना सिखाया है, आइन ने हमको जीना सिखाया है, हर दिल में इंसाफ जगाया है। यौम जमहूरियत का पैगाम है, यौम जमहूरियत का पैगाम है, इत्तेहाद ने हिंदुस्तान बनाया है। Our program beautifully reflects the unity and diversity of our nation. One by one, students will express their thoughts through speeches in different languages, also through their amazing performances showcasing India's cultural richness. Now we continue this program with English speech, where words meets wisdom and confidence meets courage. For this, I would like to invite Ulfat Sapura from grade 9, guided by our English HOD Gosar. Give a super clap for her. Honorable Chief Guest, management members, respected teachers, and my dear friends, a very Republic morning to each and everyone present here. I am Ulfat Sapura from grade 9. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy 77th Republic Day. Let me start my speech with one of the beautiful quotes. United we stand, divided we fall. Today, as we gather to celebrate the 77th Republic Day on this glorious 26th of January, our hearts swell with pride. 76 years ago, we, the people of India, gave ourselves the world's longest written constitution, a sacred pledge to unity, justice, liberty, and equality. But what makes this day truly special is not just the document, it's the unbreakable spirit of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, One India, Supreme India. Imagine a tapestry woven from countless threads. The snow-capped peaks of Himalayas in Kashmir whisper tales of resilience, while the sandy shores of Kanyakumari sing songs of serenity. From the bustling streets of Kolkata's Durga Puja to the serene ghats of Varanasi, from the vibrant festivals of Onam in Kerala to the lively Bihu dances of Assam, India is a symphony of diversity. We speak over 1,600 languages, celebrate more than 50 major festivals, and cherish cuisines that span from spicy Andhra curries to buttery Punjabi parathas. Yet in this beautiful chaos, we find our greatest strength, unity. Our freedom fighters taught us this eternal truth. Bhagat Singh's fiery resolve in Punjab echoed in Gandhi's peaceful marches from Gujarat to Bengal. Subhash Chandra Bose clarion called united soldiers from Tamil Nadu to Tripura under one tricolor. They didn't see the divides of caste, creed or community. They saw one nation, one dream. Today that dream lives in our Jawans guarding Siachen's icy heights. Our farmers tilling fields from the Deccan Plateau to the Indo-Gangetic Plains. And our scientists launching rockets that pierce the skies from Sriharikota. Dear friends, unity is not just a word, it's our superpower. When floods ravage Kerala, hands from Rajasthan rush with aid. When earthquakes shake Gujarat, hearts from Odisha rebuild homes. In classrooms like ours, children from every corner learn together, dream together, and rise together. This Republic Day, let us pledge to embrace our differences as our strength, to stand as one against hate and division, and to build an India where every voice matters, every dream soars. Let us rise, salute our fluttering tricolor, and roar with one voice. I conclude my speech with one of the important quotes. The people of India always want the peace of India. The people of India always want the peace of India, not the pieces of India. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.